Hey everybody, it's Keith from Jets PC. I just wanted to do a quick update video about Wine. I downloaded the package and installed Wine on the Linux Mint laptop, and then I copied the exe for my cameras. It's a tigerserve.cms.exe file from Windows Box. It's just a shortcut on the Windows side of things, and copied the shortcut over to here and put it on the desktop. So now all I have to do is right click and you open with and then select Wine, and there is the interface pop up, and I already entered the two different for the home in here cameras info, and now I can pick there's the pick the shop one. Alright, there's the shop cameras, and I hit connect, and lo and behold, I can watch my cameras on the Linux box without having to open VirtualBox. So that's a major step in the right direction, where I don't need VirtualBox just to see my cameras anymore. So that's pretty handy, and Wine works. It's, I wouldn't run everything in Wine, but little stuff like this came right up. So, and it's working, and even the audio works. Let's see. I don't want it to feed back, but yeah, you can even hear the audio. Yeah, it'll start to feed back. Yeah, because the camera's right, or the microphone's right here in the room, so it'll feed back. But like I say, it's working fine, and I think I can even activate the features where you bring up one camera more than the other. So it's pretty handy. Let's see if I can get back. Yeah, I can move around, and it behaves just like it does in Windows. It's too cool. All right, well, persistence is paying off, tinkering with this thing, and I'm kind of having fun with getting Mint to do everything a Windows Box did. All right, well, there's the update. I'll keep working at it. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and thanks for tuning in, and thanks for subscribing to the channel.